Hi, in this video we will discuss about population and sample in terms of statistics. In statistics, population term defined as all member of a defined group that we are collecting information for data-driven decisions, which means similar type of objects or individuals information has been collected for some purpose. Now, such type of information has been stored or collected in a dataset. We can say that a population dataset contains the entire list of possible data values. We define population by parameters. Parameters are numerical values which summarize the characteristics of a population. We use Greek letters to denote parameters like mu, sigma, and rho. In our subsequent videos, we will discuss more about these parameters. Few examples for populations are like 1. All credit card application received by bank. It could have n number of applications. Average expense on food by family on daily basis. All votes cascade in an election poll. So it could be n number of person who has cascaded the vote. So it could be n number of people who has voted. Sample is a subset of the population with same characteristic, which means if population was from a credit card application, then our sample should be drawn from the same population, not from other like applications to open from saving bank accounts. We define characteristics of sample by statistics. We represent the statistics by English alphabets like S, X, and R. We use statistics to estimate parameters. In our subsequent videos, we will discuss more about statistics of samples. Few examples like from the credit card applications that was received for all credit card, but now for sample we are just looking for last 4 months data. In the same manner, the average expense on food by a family for a daily basis, but it's only for tier 1 cities. In the same manner, as we have a population dataset for average expenses, if we draw the observation for tier 1 cities from it, that would be our sample dataset drawn from population. Here characteristics is average expense on food. In the same manner, we are looking for the portion of the votes to predict election outcome. So that is also known as for exit poll. So this exit poll data is a sample of population, number of people casted votes. Now we can discuss the difference between population and sample. Population dataset and sample dataset are both collection values in which population dataset contains the all possible values of group, while a sample dataset contains only subset of the population dataset. If you could remember, the credit card application for a bank, that was a population dataset, and if we have drawn the data for 4 months only, that would be the sample of its population. So here this one is population, and if we draw the from population, that would known as sample.